Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss question number 40. So the question is, write a menu driven program to display the following menu. We have to display this menu which has got different conversions like milliseconds to seconds, milliseconds to minutes and so on. Okay, and here hint is given that 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. So let's see the program. So as you can see, I have declared a scanner object here by the name of SC, and then I have declared num variable of double type which is initially 0, and then I have simply printed messages here to display the menu according to the question, and then I am asking for the choice of the user. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. So whatever the choice is stored in the variable choice of int type, and that choice is passed to switch. Now in case 1 we are supposed to convert milliseconds to seconds. Okay, so 1 second is equal to 1000 milliseconds. Okay, and we are to convert milliseconds to seconds. That means, let's take the example of 60. If let's take the example of 1000. Okay, so let's say we have got 1000 milliseconds, right? 1000 milliseconds. So it should give us 1 second, right? So the calculation is simple. I'll divide this 1000 by 1000. It will give me 1. It will give me 1, which is second. Okay, so 1000 millisecond contains 1 second. And so whatever the number is, you divide by 1000, you will get the number of seconds. Okay, so suppose I enter 2000. So 2000 milliseconds, if you convert to seconds, will be what? 2000 divided by 1000, that will give us 2 seconds. Next we have to convert milliseconds to minutes. Okay, so first we'll convert whatever the millisecond is into seconds. Okay, and we just saw in the previous example, to convert milliseconds to seconds, I have to divide the given number by 1000. Okay, and this I have to divide by 60 to get the number of minutes, isn't it? So for example, this num divided by 1000 will give me seconds. Okay, so 60 seconds should contain 1 minute. So that means I have to divide this by 60. So that's why I have divided by 60, and that will give you the number of minutes. So let's say the entered number of milliseconds is 1000. Okay, so 1000 divided by 1000 will give me what? It will give me 1 second. Okay, now 1 second, if I divide by 60, that will give me the number of minutes. Or we can also understand it like this. Let's take 60,000 milliseconds. Okay, so let's say we entered 60,000 here. So 60,000 milliseconds, first if I convert into seconds, I'll divide by 1000. So that will be 60 seconds. This 60 seconds needs to be divided by 60. So that will give me 1 minute. The next case is we have to convert seconds into milliseconds. So this one is very simple. Input is taken in num, and so 1 second is equal to 1000 millisecond. Okay, so you simply multiply the input with 1000, that will give you the number of milliseconds. So if we have got 2 in num, that will be 2 into 1000, 2000 milliseconds. Then the fourth one is we have to convert seconds to minutes. So of course you have to divide by 60, isn't it? So let's say we have got 60 seconds. We know that in 60 seconds there are 1 minute. So divided by 60 you will get 1. So you have to divide by 60 to convert seconds to minutes. Next we have to convert minutes to milliseconds. Okay. So first we will convert minutes into seconds. So I'll multiply the given number by 60, isn't it? That will give me the number of seconds, and that you will further multiply with 1000 to get the milliseconds. And lastly we are to convert minutes into seconds. So you simply multiply the given number with 60, that will convert it into seconds. So let's see the output now. So let's test the first one, milliseconds to seconds. So if I enter 1000 milliseconds, I should get 1 second. So it is showing me 1 second. Next, let's check milliseconds to minutes. So if I enter 60,000 milliseconds, I should get 1 minute. Oh, sorry, I have to enter the choice here. Enter choice, that is 2. And 60,000 milliseconds, that will give me 1 minute. So that's correct. Next, enter second. We'll choose the third option now, and this time we'll convert seconds to milliseconds. Okay. So if I enter 1, I should get 1000 milliseconds. Okay. Then next, let's test the fourth one. Seconds to minutes. Okay, let's enter 60 seconds. We know that 60 seconds has 1 minute, so it's showing me the correct output. That means the expression is correct. And then we check the fifth one, minutes to milliseconds. Okay, so 1 minute contains 60 seconds, and 60 seconds contains 60,000 milliseconds. So it's showing me the right output. And lastly we'll check the last option, minutes to seconds. So let's enter 1 and see. Yeah, it's showing me 60 seconds. So I hope you have understood this program. Thank you.